simplifying algebraic fractions. Let's say we have the fraction x squared over x. Now, this can be written as x times x, as x squared is x times x, over x. And then we can cancel this x with this x, leaving us with just x. So this is x squared over x simplified. Now, if I add a number here, say for example 9x squared and 2x, they would essentially just stay where they are next to the points, and we will end up with 9x over 2. Let's look at another example. We have 3x cubed over 4x to the power 4. Then we can simplify this by essentially cancelling 3 times x times x times x all over 4 times x times x times x times x. So we can cancel this x with this one, this x with this, and this x with this one. So we're left with 3 over 4x. Now, it's not practical for us to always write down x times x times x, etc. So there's a rule that we can apply. Essentially, all we do is, for example, in this case, we write 9 over 2x, and now we write the powers. So 2, this is a power 1, deduct the bottom power. So this is 2 minus 1, so you're left with 9 over 2x. So let's do the same for this one. So here we have 3 over 4, x, 3 minus 4. In this case, 3 over 4, x, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now, if you have anything to the power of minus 1, so say x minus 1, that is the same as 1 over x. So here, we write this as 3 over 4 times 1 over x, which is the same as 3 over 4x, which is what we had above. Now, as a rule to remember, xa over xb is the same as xa minus b. Let's look at another example. Minus 4x to the power 6 all over 8x to the power 5. So here, the minus 4 and the 8 can be simplified, so we can divide top and bottom by 4. We're left with minus x to the 6 all over 2x to the 5. And then, using the rule here in purple, you can simplify the x's by saying minus 1 over 2, x to the power 6 minus 5, which is equal to minus 1 over 2x, which is the same as x over 2. So now let's look at slightly different type of algebraic fractions. So let's say we have 3x to the power 4 minus 4x to the power 5 all over x to the power of 2. So in this case, one approach to this is that we separate this out. So we have 3x to the 4 over x squared minus 4x to the 5 all over x squared. And then we do the same as what we did previously. So 3x 4 minus 2 minus 4x 5 minus 2. This simplifies to 3x squared minus 4x cubed. Now, another approach here is that we know that the x squared is dividing the top part, so we can divide each of these terms by x squared. And you'll end up with the same answer. So we have 3x to the 4 over x squared minus 4x to the 5 x squared. And then, this is essentially the same as what we had previously. So this simplifies to 3x squared minus 4x cubed. Let's look at another example. 30x to the power 4 plus 6x cubed all over 24x squared. So here we look for the common number that we can divide all of these by. 30x to the 4 all over 24 squared plus 6x cubed all over 24x squared. Now we can divide top and bottom here by 6. So we're left with 5 over 4. And the x's follow the rule that we had previously. So 4 take away 2. Plus, again here we can simplify by 6 as well. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. So we have 1 all over 24 divided by 6, which is 4. And x, 3 take away 2. We simplify, so 5 over 4 x squared plus 4 x.
You can download the application on Google Play or App Store, and you can visit our website mathslegends.co.uk.